artificial intelligence is changing the world. One exciting area is video generation. Hailuo AI is a new platform for this. It was created by Minimax, a company known for its work in AI. Hailuo AI is easy to use, even for beginners. The platform can create videos from text prompts. It can also create videos from images. Hailuo AI is powerful and affordable. It is a great tool for content creators, marketers, and educators. This essay will explore Hailuo AI in detail. We will discuss its features and benefits. We will also look at how to use it effectively. By the end, you will understand why Hailuo AI is a game changer. Hailuo AI is powered by advanced algorithms. These algorithms allow it to understand and interpret your requests. Whether you provide text or images, Hailuo AI can transform your vision into a video. The platform offers a range of customization options. You can choose from different video styles. You can adjust the length and resolution of your videos. Hailuo AI also allows you to add music and sound effects. With its intuitive interface, Hailuo AI makes video creation easy. You don't need any technical skills to use it. Simply input your ideas and let the platform do the work. Several platforms offer AI video generation. What makes Hailuo AI stand out? First, it is very user-friendly. Its interface is clean and intuitive. Second, Hailuo AI is affordable. It offers flexible subscription options to fit different budgets. Third, Hailuo AI produces high-quality videos. The videos are realistic and engaging. Finally, Hailuo AI is constantly evolving. Minimax is continually adding new features and improvements. This commitment to innovation makes Hailuo AI a future-proof choice. Hailuo AI excels in two key areas: text-to-video and image-to-video generation. With text-to-video, you can simply type in a description of what you want to see. Want a video of a cat playing piano in a Parisian cafe? Hailuo AI can make it happen. Image-to-video takes your still images and animates them. Imagine turning a child's drawing into a moving cartoon or bringing a historical photograph to life. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Getting started with Hailuo AI. Getting started with Hailuo AI is quick and easy. First, visit the Hailuo AI website. You can sign up for a free trial. The free trial lets you explore the platform's features. After the trial, you can choose a subscription plan. Once you have an account, you can start creating videos. The interface is self-explanatory. If you need help, there are tutorials available. Hailuo AI also has a responsive customer support team. Section 6, Mastering Hailuo AI Prompts and Examples. The key to getting great results with Hailuo AI is crafting effective prompts. Be specific in your descriptions. Instead of saying a dog, say a golden retriever puppy playing fetch in the park. Here are some examples of effective prompts. A majestic eagle soaring over snow-capped mountains. A bustling city street at night with neon lights reflecting on wet pavement. A child blowing out candles on a birthday cake. Experiment with different prompts and see what you can create. Section 7, Hailuo AI versus the competition. Hailuo AI faces competition from other AI video generation platforms. Two notable competitors are Sora and Veo2. Sora is known for its high-quality output but is more expensive. Veo2 is more affordable but may not offer the same level of detail. Hailuo AI strikes a balance between quality and affordability. It also offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features. This makes it a compelling choice for many users. Section 8, Monetizing your creativity with Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is not just a fun tool, it's also a powerful income-generating tool. Content creators can use it to create engaging videos for YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. Marketers can create eye-catching ads and social media content. Educators can bring their lessons to life with animated videos. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. With Hailuo AI, you can turn your creative ideas into a profitable reality. Section 9, Tips for Success with Hailuo AI. Here are some practical tips for creating the best videos with Hailuo AI. Use clear and concise language in your prompts. Experiment with different video styles and settings. Don't be afraid to iterate and refine your prompts. Take advantage of Hailuo AI's music and sound effects library. share your creations with the world, and get feedback. With a little practice and these tips, you'll be creating stunning AI-generated videos in no time.